Greetings, my dear friends. This is Stanislav Shamayev, a licensed business, immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. And today we're going to be discussing the investment program EB-5, which is best of the best programs to immigrate to the United States for those who have capital, who have a certain amount of money that can be invested in the US economy. At the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to get a free analysis of your case. Let's go. Alright, so one of my specialties and one of my favorite visas is visa EB-5, the large investment visa, which allows the family of the investor to immigrate to the United States and get the green card for the entire family and live here happily. This program at this moment is one of the fastest and easiest ways to get a green card, the residency in the United States, and be able to get all the benefits in this country from basically day one. Okay, so this program started back in the 90s when the United States realized that why don't we get the foreign investment money in the economy and bring the dollars back in exchange for the green cards. All the money that goes back in the country is clean and clear of any illegal stuff. That's how program EB-5 appeared and started working. For the past 30 years, thousands upon thousands and thousands of foreign investors came to the United States using this program. If you're following this program and you're interested, you probably know that for the past 2 years, a lot of things happened, a lot of changes, a lot of reforms, and very important ones. So what are the advantages of this program? First of all, your investment could be passive or could be active. In the passive investment, you basically give your money to some project that's licensed by the US government, and they take care of all business necessities, of all business needs. And all you have to do is to prove the source of your funds and enjoy your life. The second direction you may take is to invest in your own business, in your new enterprise, and all business actions in your own hands. And what it entails is that you need to create 10 permanent jobs within 2 years after you get your first green card. There are other ways this program could be implemented, but these are main two categories you may participate. So this is a passive and this is an active investment. In the passive investment, usually the amount of investment is $800,000. It could be the same, but most likely it's $1,050,000. Why this program is one of the best at this moment? Because after the reform that took place in March of 2022, not only you can wait in the United States the approval of your petition if you have the right to be in the United States, but also you'll be able to get a premium processing of your petition, which USCIS says will take up to 6 months, comparing to 2 years in the past. At this moment, you can invest a certain amount of money in somebody's project, which is called regional center, or in your own business, and within 6 months to get approval for your visa and start basically working in your own business or just living your life in the United States if it was a passive investment, because you'll be able to work, to do your business, your kids will be able to go to school, your spouse will be able to work or do whatever you want, because these are all the privileges a green card grants you. Moreover, if it's a passive investment, you'll be able to get your money back usually in 5 to 7 years, depending on the regional center you are working with. So what's the trigger to get your money back? Is the moment when you get your second green card. EB-5 program provides that first you get a temporary green card, so-called conditional green card. It's for 2 years, and it's for the purpose to see if the regional center or your own business actually created those 10 jobs that were promised in the original business plan. So if you do your own business, you have these 2 years to create these 10 jobs and then file for a 10-year green card, a permanent green card. Same way with the regional center. They have 2 years to show that they created the 10 jobs, direct or indirect, and usually this is the case, and you'll be able to get your 10-year green card as well. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok, where I post a lot of good content about business immigration, investment immigration, and talent visas, and also provide all the updates about the new laws that come out in the United States pretty often. So This is how the program works. First, you decide whether your investment is going to be passive or active. You make sure that the money they're going to put in the project, be it yours or somebody else, is clean and clear, and you can show the proof of funds, and you can show all the transactions from the original source of funds and the path to the United States. Then you put that money either in your company or in the regional center, and you file for a 2-year green card. And soon this process is going to take about 6 months. You get approval, and you can start working either in your business or just go around your business with the passive income having a 2-year green card. After 1 year and 9 months pass, you can file for the permanent 10-year green card. That one is approved. You get your money back from the regional center, or you can do whatever you want with your own business. If it's profitable, lucky you. If it's not, well, you maybe lost some money, but now you have a green card. That's the main purpose of the whole program. This program does not require the knowledge of English, does not require education, does not require any prior experiences. All it requires is the proof of funds. I already mentioned that term, but let's talk about it in more details. One of the most popular questions I am asked at the immigration plannings is, Stanislav, I sold my commercial property in Paris, so I have all the proof of my funds. That's only the beginning of the inquiry. We need to understand what funds did you use to buy that property. And if you bought the property selling other property or other asset, we need to understand how you purchased that property or that asset. And we need to unfold that chain to the original source of funds. What's the original source of funds? That's your salary, that's your dividends, that's the sale of your business, that could be credit, personal or from the bank, that could be a gift, that could be inheritance. There's a lot of ways to prove the original source of funds, and as each case is very individual, we discuss it at the immigration planning. Once we know that your money is clear, the whole universe of EB-5 opens up, and it's only up to you if you want to go the passive way or the active way. And again, the best change that happened with EB-5 program is that you can stay in the United States legally awaiting approval of your EB-5. While you're legal in the States, you can work, your kids can go to school, you can travel with advanced parole, you have all the rights of the regular American, but for voting. You won't be able to vote for 2024 president election, but hey, who cares, right? As long as you can be here and enjoy your life. My team and I filed lots of EB-5 petitions, and we work only with the best regional centers that passed my due diligence, which I developed throughout my experience throughout my career, and we are proud to help investors from over 30 countries in the world. And you could be one of them. If you think the program EB-5 is good for you, you have at least $800,000 that you can prove how you earned. You can go below this video and click the link and fill out the questionnaire that I prepared for you, and I'll give you a free analysis of your EB-5 case within 48 hours. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, ask me any question or do your comment under this video. And this was Stanislav Shamayev, the lawyer of your future. Your future begins here. Good luck.